Sure, here's a YouTube video script about the 2970 Chevy Bel Air Pickup for your channel motor update. It's written as a smooth narrative, suitable for voiceover without requiring headings, visuals, or a host. It's one of those vehicles that never officially existed, yet it captures the imagination of car enthusiasts and classic truck fans alike. The 2970 Chevy Bel Air Pickup is not a factory model but a custom creation that blends iconic 1950s design with modern restomod culture. A Bel Air in a pickup. It sounds crazy but it looks stunning. Imagine the unmistakable chrome-laced face of a 1957 Bel Air, with its swooping tail fins, classic grille, and signature badging. Now, take that design language and stretch it into a pickup truck form factor. It's a rare breed of part show car, part shop truck, and all attitude. The Bel Air Pickup, often dubbed 2970 in online communities, takes its name from a fusion concept. A 57 Bel Air meets a 1970 style custom truck build. These builds are often handcrafted, with enthusiasts using donor vehicles like classic Chevy C10s for the frame and bed, while grafting on Bel Air front clips and tail sections. It's not a job for the faint of heart. This kind of build requires serious fabrication skills, but the end result is always jaw-dropping. Under the hood, you'll typically find either a small block Chevy V8 or an LS swap. Builders often go all out with performance upgrade as a cold air intakes, performance cams, headers, and a throaty dual exhaust setup that gives the car-truck hybrid a deep, menacing growl. It's all about turning heads, both with looks and sound. Inside, it's usually a mix of nostalgia and comfort. Builders maintain some vintage touches like a bench seat or retro-style gauge ESA while sneaking in modern amenities like a touch-screen stereo, digital dials, and power everything. It's not just a classic, it's a cruiser built for now. What makes the 2970 Chevy Bel Air Pickup so special is that it doesn't follow the rules. It's not confined by production lines or catalog specs. Each one is a reflection of its builder's vision. Some go full hot rod, others lean toward lowrider culture. You'll see air suspension setups, candy paint jobs, and custom pinstriping. Every version tells its own story, and that's the beauty of custom automotive culture. It lets imagination take the wheel. The 2970 Chevy Bel Air Pickup is more than a vehicle. It's a conversation starter, a rolling piece of art, and a tribute to two of Chevrolet's most beloved eras. If you ever see one on the street or at a car show, don't blink. It might be the only time you ever lay eyes on one. Rare, bold, unmistakable. That's the 2970 Chevy Bel Air Pickup. Let me know if you want to tailor the tone more for a certain audience, classic car fans, younger viewers, or builders.